The price of Shiba Inu Coin is rising nicely today, and as you can see, a beautiful bottom left to upper right hand side of the screen curve. Shiba Inu Coin back up above 2,500 points per coin, and that is exactly what we need to see for future price breakouts and future price increases. Because guys, right now, Shib is testing higher highs, and that is exactly what a bullish scenario predicts. Now, I'm going to be talking a little bit about this price action in this video, but we're going to go over an article that speculates as to whether or not Shiba Inu Coin can reach that 10-cent mark. Now, I'm just going to spoil it for you. They say it's practically impossible. We'll discuss the practicality of it in a second here, and then we're going to jump into something that, yes, could see 10x, 20x, 30, 50, 100x gains in the near future, and that is Dogeverse. We'll talk about some price predictions there as well in this brand new pre-sale crypto that is about to be launching in the coming days and weeks. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Dogeverse on the screen right now, and I do want to give a huge shout out to the guys over the Dogeverse team for sponsoring this video, trying to get as much awareness as possible onto the Dogeverse pre-sale so that as much people as possible can make as much money as possible. Now, full disclosure, I have bought in, and I have bought in heavy to the Dogeverse pre-sale here, and they've already done over $15 million. If at any point during the video you guys feel like you want to buy, make sure you use the official affiliate link that is in the description below. There are way too many scams out there, and I only want you guys connecting your wallets to websites that you can trust. So we'll jump back to that in a second here, but I want to focus on Shiba Inu Coin really quick and the beautiful price action that we have been seeing over the last couple of hours here. If you pull out to a 5-minute chart over nearly the last day, the hourly chart looks amazing, and Shiba Inu Coin finally breaking out of that bull flag pattern, that descending wedge, the symmetrical triangle, whatever you guys are calling it out there, and testing resistance right now, which is an extremely bullish price pattern. As you guys can see here, it is trying to break back up out of this horizontal level of resistance that it set a couple of weeks ago. And if we do, we could be running to the 2,800 point per coin mark, and then eventually the 3,500 point per coin mark again, which if that breaks, get ready for another meme coin rally like you guys haven't seen in quite some time, because it would be a lot better than when we ran up and tested 3,500. If we break 3,500, Shiba Inu Coin could very quickly be going back to the all-time highs that it set out there. Now, all-time highs at 8,800 points per coin, okay. Huge difference to 10 cents per coin. Now, I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this article here, but I do want to come down to the bottom part where it talks about Shiba Inu Coin reaching 10 cents even without widespread adoption here. It says, in other words, investors shouldn't bank on Shiba Inu Coin soaring by more than 43,000% from here to reach the 10-cent mark. It's practically impossible. That said, the community is trying to reduce the Shiba Inu Coin supply by burning tokens, which removes them from circulation forever. So far, though, the burn rate is so minuscule that it would take decades to make a dent in the enormous supply. Well, number one, it might take more than decades, right? But if it does only take decades to reduce the supply of Shiba Inu Coin, you do have to think about that for a second. I mean, guys, if Shib is going to reduce and dent its supply in just decades from now, and you could be seeing 10 cents and so on, I mean, wouldn't you wait 10, 20 years so that you could be seeing 10 cents? I mean, think about it. All you got to do is divide your Shib by 10, and that's how much dollars you would have at that point. People would have way too much money. They wouldn't know what to do with it. Something that could get there much, much sooner is Dogeverse. Why? It's going to have a much smaller market cap. Guys, Dogeverse has raised $15+ million so far, and this is the last chance to buy before the launch. A lot of people jumping in heavy to the Dogeverse pre-sale. If you want 62 Ethereum, or the Dogeverse, I'm going to tell you why I use that number in a second here. Now, because Ethereum is rising, you're walking away with over 600 million Dogeverse at those levels. You could buy with USDT. You could buy on BNB, Matic, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. But the awesome part is you can buy and claim on all of those blockchains. The top 6 most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin, you can buy and claim Dogeverse. Now, why is that so important? Because Dogeverse is a multi-bridge utility. It's not just a meme coin, guys. Yes, it takes advantage of the awesome meme coin status of the Shiba Inu dog, but it's not just a meme. It is a multi-bridge utility, and utilizing the superior bridging technology, Dogeverse is going to be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. If you're not sure what a bridge is, you can move over from Ethereum to Solana. You don't need a centralized exchange to do this. You can move over from BNB, maybe you want some Polygon. You can move over, and it is that simple on a bridge. And that is what Dogeverse is setting up to do here. Not only are they setting up to be one of the greatest meme coins with potentially the most utility out of any of these meme coins, they offer excellent staking rewards where you guys can still earn 54+% interest simply by buying and staking Dogeverse. Now, I have not staked mine, but it is your decision if you would like to either trade or, of course, if you would like the passive income. 54%, 54% is insane, especially if the price of Dogeverse goes up. Think about that for a second. If Dogeverse 10x's in price and you're still earning 54% annualized interest in Dogeverse, you're going to be making a lot of money. So on top of all of that, the price action and so on, you've got the Dogeverse social accounts right now that are just growing exponentially as well. 18.6 thousand followers. Yesterday, these guys were cracking 18. They had 17. Day before, 16. These guys are growing very, very quickly out on X, and they are very, very active out on X. You've got memes posted here, memes posted here, memes every single day. These guys are engaging with their community, and look at the impressions. 49,000, 54,000, 48,000, 44,000, 55,000, 50,000. You guys get the picture, right? Their marketing is top notch at this point as they are going out there and getting as much attention as possible onto this presale, which could and should lead to as much gains as possible upon launch. So I want to know what you guys are doing with it down in the comments below. And remember, if you do decide to buy, make sure you use that official affiliate link that is down there. I don't want you guys coming out and connecting to any of these scam websites. If you just go out and Google it, I mean, clearly you can see so many scams popping up that I don't want you to even do that out there. So make sure to use the official link. Let me know if you guys are buying in. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.